how to use the ComeBeCool cooling backpack. The distributor and collector. So for the shoulders, and for the waist, and I show you inside. This is the side of the switch. You open the other side. Now let's take the ice packs from the freezer. Cartridge number 1, number 2. Hold the cartridge this way. Cartridge number 1, cartridge number 2, and close. Make sure the battery is on, and this one is off. So keep this out. And keep this one out also. And put on the back. And connect on the bottom. Okay, switch on. Ooh, it's cold. Yes, come in here. When it's too cold, just switch off. Switch on again. Just switch off. Switch on again. Switch on again. Switch on again. This loop is my mistake. It should be inside. It should look like this. Thank you for watching.